Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make the heart-shaped friendship bracelet. This is the heart-shaped friendship bracelet. It's one of those beginner-friendly bracelets to make and it's super simple. So the first thing you want to do is pick out two different colors and you're going to need two of each. And you'll want to either tie an overhand knot like I've done over here for this bracelet and then just start the tutorial, or you can also just tie a square knot loop like this. I don't have a tutorial on that yet, but I will be making one of those soon. So yes, now that you have all the string and the colors picked out, you'll want to arrange them in this way. You want to make sure that the first and last string are your background colors. The second and second last is the color of your heart, and then background color again, and then the innermost strings are going to be the color of your heart. So that's the way you want to arrange it, and basically has to mirror each other. So left looks exactly like the right side. So now we can start. So what you want to do first is create forward knots on the second string, the third string, and also the fourth string. And then on the right side, we're going to do the exact same, but we're going to create the arrow, the right side of the arrow here, with backward knots. So we're going to do 3 backward knots on the strings here. So 3, 1, 2, and 3. And then what we'll do is join the 2 innermost strings together, which is the 2 whites. And there are the 2 whites here, and we're going to create a forward knot from the left side to the right side to join them together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work on the left side here from the second to the first string. We're going to create a backward knot. And now we're going to do the exact same thing on the right side, only we're going to create a forward knot instead of a backward knot. There we go. So now for the next step, we're going to take out our outermost strands. We're just going to put them to the side, and we're going to create a arrow using just the 6 strings here. So we're not going to create the typical arrow head by using the outermost strings. So that's going to stay out. And we're basically going to create the top of the heart right now. So we're going to create one. We're going to do 1 forward knot from the second to the third string. And we're going to do another forward knot again to the 4th string. And now we'll work on the right side. So we're going to do the exact same, but with a backward knot to the purple and to the white here. And now what we'll do is join the 2 innermost strings together with the forward knot from left to right. Okay, so that's all done. Now what we'll do is we're going to bring the outermost strings back down, and we're going to create a backward knot on the left side with the second to the first string. So second to the first, we're going to create a backward knot. And then we'll do the exact same on the right side, except we're going to do a forward knot from the second last string to the last string. So 4, bring it in. Here we go. Now what we'll do again is bring out the outermost strands of the outermost colors or the strings, and we won't work with them yet. We're going to do the exact same thing we did before. So we're going to grab the second string and we're going to fill the heart. So we're going to create 2 forward knots, one on the white and one on the purple. There we go. And then on the right side, we're going to create 2 backward knots with the second last string to the white and also the purple. Oopsies. And then we'll join the 2 whites together with a forward knot from the left side to the right side. There we go. Now this is the last step. We're going to complete the heart now. So we're going to bring all the strings down and we're going to create another chevron type of shape, now using all the strings. So with the first string, we're going to create 3 backward knots, one on each, forward knot. We're going to use the forward knot here and we're going to create 3, one on each of the strings on the left side. There we go. And now on the right side, we're going to create 3 backward knots, one on each of the strings. So backward knot, one on each. And on the third one here, one last backward knot, and then we're going to join them together with a forward knot from the left purple to the right purple. Just like that. So that is basically it, guys. And then you just complete the entire video if you want to repeat the video, and you just complete the same steps over and over again until you reached your desired length. And then you can just complete the bracelet by either doing, a braid at the end, totally up to you, or you can twist the ends. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see any other tutorials, please leave those requests down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.